Never seen Tux ace before until the other team was completely Asian. That's all I'm saying.
What does that have to do with anything? Just because their names are that doesn't mean anything.
I'm just saying you might have tried a little harder.
What?
Oh, look, history's about to repeat itself. Pearl Harbor 2. Here we go. Tux Bird, why don't I take a massive dump in the road and you slide into it?
Well, that's a fan.
One friendly operator remaining.
Alright, here we go, boys.
Does this look right? You are so obviously trying harder.
How many fucking Asians can you mow down, Tux?
Dude, I was kidding when I said Tiananmen Square.
Jesus, dude, we should have sent you to Vietnam. Goddamn, dude.
The military requests your location right now.